Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and go to the all section, because usually you will be on the general. So let's tap on all, and here we have to find the display. Now let's tap on the sleep option, and there was a misclick, of course, sleep. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest one. And basically all you have to do in order to set the sleep option is to tap on it. So let me pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.